The U.S. unit of Volkswagen AG on Friday asked a U.S. judge to defer a few court trials it is looking over overabundance outflows since it fears provocative remarks made by a legal advisor speaking to auto proprietors in a current TV narrative will partiality the jury. Albeit about all U.S. proprietors consented to participate in a 2016 settlement, the German carmaker is being sued by a few customers after it conceded in September 2015 to undermining diesel outflows tests, starting the greatest business emergency in its history. The main buyer misrepresentation trial includes a North Carolina man who purchased a 2014 diesel Jetta, and is set for February 26. In any case, as indicated by a lawful recording, Volkswagen of America asked a judge in Fairfax County, Virginia, to postpone that trial for no less than a half year on Friday after a legal counselor for more than 300 U.S. VW diesel proprietors, Michael Melkersen, gave a meeting in which he alluded to the organization testing diesel vapor on monkeys. A week ago, Volkswagen in Germany suspended its central lobbyist and its CEO called the tests ghastly after the New York Times detailed the automaker had together supported tests that uncovered monkeys in 2014 to harmful diesel vapor. In the meeting for a narrative broadcast by gushing administration Netflix, Melkersen scrutinized the tests, including, "One can't recall all through history of another arrangement of occasions including people being gassed by a man who was really at the opening of the primary Volkswagen production line, an obvious reference to Nazi pioneer Adolf Hitler and the Holocaust." In its legitimate recording, VW's legal counselors contended those remarks would keep a reasonable trial and indicated another remark Melkersen made in the narrative: "There is a worry, clearly, among Volkswagen that if a jury were to ever catch wind of any of this stuff could truly affect the decision for this situation." Volkswagen legal counselors said that pre-trial attention has associated the organization, specifically with Hitler and the Holocaust, which they said was not pertinent to a trial about asserted shopper misrepresentation claims. Melkersen called the VW lawful movement nonsense. "This is another strategy to put off their moment of retribution," Melkersen told Reuters by telephone. VW has consented to spend more than $25 billion in the United States to address claims from proprietors, ecological controllers, U.S. states and merchants and to make buyback offers. As a component of that, Volkswagen said in 2016 it would purchase back or settle about 500,000 dirtying 2.0-liter diesel U.S. vehicles. Around 2,000 proprietors quit and most are seeking after court claims looking for extra pay. The principal trials could conceivably set a layout for the rest of the suits. The monkey tests were likewise supported by Daimler AG and BMW, and both said for the current week they had suspended or moved staff connected to the testing. VW said the monkey tests were affirmed by a free audit board to ensure creatures